Welcome to JLPT N5 Kanji Accelerator. The JLPT N5 Kanji Accelerator uses a systematic storytelling method to assist you in passing the JLPT N5. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all of our Kanji Accelerator videos. In this video, you will be introduced to 4 kanji: hand, right, craft, and left. This is the kanji for hand. The kanji for hand is made up of a radical meaning hand. There is no other component. The kanji for hand can be remembered as a stylized picture of a hand. Again, the kanji for hand. Quick review. Radical, meaning hand. Hand. This is how you write the kanji for hand. Please note the stroke order. This is the kanji for right. The kanji for right is made up of a radical, meaning mouth, and a component that can be remembered as hand. Please note that this component is a variant of the kanji that can be remembered as hand. The kanji for right can be remembered as the right hand that feeds the mouth. For example, eating with the right hand. Again, the kanji for right. Quick review. Radical meaning mouth. Component meaning hand. Right. This is how you write the kanji for right. Please note the stroke order. This is the kanji for craft. The kanji for craft is made up of a radical meaning craft. There is no other component. The kanji for craft can be remembered as a ruler between 2 points used by a craftsperson. Again, the kanji for craft. Quick review. Radical meaning craft. Craft. This is how you write the kanji for craft. Please note the stroke order. This is the kanji for left. The kanji for left is made up of a radical meaning craft and a component that can be remembered as hand. The kanji for left can be remembered as the left hand holding down a ruler while measuring something. For example, a tailor measuring cloth for a suit. Quick review. Radical meaning craft. Component meaning hand. Left. This is how you write the kanji for left. Please note the stroke order. With a simple review of this video, you can easily differentiate between these kanji. We strongly recommend that you practice writing these kanji. Writing the kanji will help you to remember them. We also recommend that you use different colors to distinguish the radical from the components. Thank you for watching. Tap on the next video to learn more with Kanji Accelerator. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.